Hi everyone, this is your Neeraj sir. I welcome you on behalf of SYJC. The reason why I chose to now come on this platform, social media platform, is I need to make some important announcements. Well, this announcement is for the students who are at present in 11th. See, you guys have enjoyed a lot. Your so-called first term is about to over or is over. And slowly and gradually, we are moving towards your 12th standard. Now, when I say 12th standard, you know the importance of it, because right from childhood, you, me and everyone, including your parents, have heard one thing, that 12th standard is the most important year of life. If we know that right from childhood, let us face the music. Now we are about to enter 12th standard. अरे सर, क्यों हमको टेंशन में लाते हो? क्यों हमको पकाते हो? We are in 11th. We still have 4 months to enjoy. Yes, guys, we certainly have 3 to 4 months to complete our 11th standard academic year. But we do not perhaps have 3 to 4 months to plan for 12th standard. See, honestly speaking, your 11th standard exam will be somewhere in the 3rd week of March, and you will be free, done with your 11th standard exam by 1st week of April. Then all of a sudden you will realize that I'm in 12th standard. And that's where I have come forward to explain certain things as what we intend to do at SYJC for 12th standard students. Well, typically speaking, I have got experience of teaching commerce in SYJC students over 22 years. So there is anything that I need to know, I already have it. I have 22 years experience. So for me, it is not at all rocket science to talk about 12th standard, plan about your 12th standard and blah blah. And with grace of God, another 22 years also I will do the same thing. First thing is, why you should go to experienced people? Because the way when you're ill, sick, you go to a doctor who has got experience. When you're in problem, you go to a lawyer who has got experience, because experience makes a huge difference, right? So I have a team where I have put in 22 years, but my team is also all teachers have put in at least 10 years in teaching. So all teachers are highly experienced. That's the first point. Also, we believe in fundamental teaching, logical teaching, not magical teaching at all. That is, for everything you will know the reasons. We although believe in traditional methods of teaching in a classroom environment, we are not at all shying away from using technology. When I say we are not shying away from using technology, what we are doing? All lectures that will take place in the class will be recorded through OBS software, and all those lectures will be available on our website for our present student to see them n number of times for revision immediately after the lectures are held. For 1 week or so, these lectures will be available on our website. See the recordings, revise things. So we use technology not for teaching but as a backup. What happens with this is, even if you remain absent, you can always cover the lecture very next day and then sit with the faculties and clarify things. Well, lectures planning, schedule, etc. I believe we should start early so that we should complete our portion also early. I propose to start 12th standard lectures on 10th of April, and I propose to complete the portion somewhere by 30th of September 23. Your board exams will be held somewhere in the month of Feb 24. So what I am trying to make you realize is, because we will start early and we complete our portion early, you have almost 4 months gap before your SYJC exam starts, and after we finish our portion. तो सर वो 4 months में क्या करने का? डंडिया रंगवा लो? नहीं. So what are we going to do? We are going to first put you into complete rapid revision lectures for all the subjects. These rapid revision lectures will be revision lectures. When I say revision lectures, you have to have vision. Then it can be revision. If someone would say, I have learned something in the month of April and I will just come because now there is a revision lecture, Bandara system, Sai Baba ka Bandara hai, तो लेक्चर में जाके बैठता हूँ. That is not going to be the case. So these revision lectures, not only we will do extra problems, but we will also sit and solve your difficulties. We means all the same teachers who taught you respective subject. It is never going to be the case that A professor has taught you that particular subject, A professor has taken lectures for that particular subject, and Professor B comes and solve your difficulties or doubts or conducts revision lectures, because that will be suicide for the students. I don't believe in that. I have never done that. I will never do that. Now, in October or so, we complete this. After that, again, you will say, now sir, it's a Christmas time. Let's plan out for annual day. Let's plan out for some functions. हमारा डांस कंपटीशन है. डांस हम करेंगे भाई, बट हमारा डांस होगा 12th स्टैंडर्ड के एग्जाम में. या डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. डेबिट यहाँ, क्रेडिट यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ? ये हमारे डायलॉग्स है, ये हमारा काम है. सो व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट दैट यू आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑन योर प्लेटर? यस, I propose to have at least 5 prelim exams, post our revision and doubt solving lectures, so that you are absolutely completely prepared for any of the subject that you are going to cover up in your SYJC board exam. See, typically speaking, in my subject, of course, bookkeeping, accountancy, last 22 years, I have always told the students that if tomorrow you have paper and today you wish to go for a movie, you are allowed to. Why? Because you don't have to do any studies one day before the exam. You will be covering up anything and everything much before your exams. So just take a chill pill one day before the exam, and I mean it. The preparation will be throughout the year. Almost that is the same thing for practical subject. For theory subjects, we will have a different approach, because you need to keep on revising things. I have given you in this video not complete clarity subject wise, not complete clarity as far as the schedule of the lectures are concerned, but I have given you a roadmap. I have shown you a roadmap that I propose to have for our 12th standard students. Admissions have already started. If a student takes up admission for SYJC exams, he can right now attend all 11 standard lectures absolutely free of charge. This is what I propose to the students, and the logic is very simple. I want you to get into logical studies. I want you to be under professional teachers. I want you to be under experienced teachers immediately. ये दिल मांगे मोर, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या? Once you have decided to have a shift, or once you have decided to join SYJC for your 12th standard, I want you to be with us immediately. So this is my first video where I have just shown you a general roadmap as to what we propose to do for your 12th standard. Soon, very shortly, I will come up with one more video where I will discuss in detail about subjects, timetable, faculty, test series, which will happen. I am not going to conduct only 5 prelims and make you enjoy throughout the year. We are going to have weekly test series for every subject, for every chapter, for every topic. And then post completion of exam, after revision lectures, we are also going to have 5 prelims. All this in the second video I will like to update you. All the best. Be focused. Don't compromise. We are talking about your 12th standard. So there is no question of taking a chance. In life, you should not give a chance a chance. See you all the best. I will see you soon with my second video with precise planning for your SYJC. Thank you so much.